we're going to start with some tapping, and we're going to start on the cheekbones. And this really helps to ground you. So think about your feet while you're tapping on your cheekbones for a minute. Okay, the next one is your collarbone points. This is right under your collarbone. And remember to breathe. So inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. All right, then we'll tap on the thymus gland, which is right here. Helps your immune system. Okay, the next one is on your ribs. It's like right here. And there's sometimes a tender spot there, but that's okay.
And is this where the floating ribs are or higher?
A little bit higher.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, not at the end of your rib cage. So if you were to wear a bra, it would be at the underneath the bra line.
Got it.
Which more women being at home are opting out of. So okay. We're going to do a crossover. So we're going to take your hand and you go from one shoulder crossing down to your hip. And you want to, use some, it's not like a feather thing. It's, you want to feel it. You want to use some purpose. Down to the hip. So this crossing helps to coordinate the left and right side of your brain. Our energy system is kind of a figure 8. So this helps that too. Hi, Megan. We're starting just with some
Hey, Megan.
Energy tune-ups.
Hi, everybody.
Can you stand up, Megan, and join us?
Yeah, thank you.
Excellent.
Okay. All right, we just did this shoulder, it's called the shoulder pull, where you go from one side to the next. And then the next one is marching in place, but you want to do a diagonal. So you want to cross the left to the right. And you could tap your knee, or you could go to the side of the knee. And there's actually a lot of research about this, just the motion of walking. I've been using walking poles lately, and it helps creativity, quiet some of the worry stuff of your brain, so you access the other side of your brain a little bit better when you do these crossing. So if you're stuck in a project, or you need some inspiration, or just to think differently, that's a good one. Okay, then the next one is we start in a prayer pose, and we're going to be reaching with our hands flat. So this hand goes down, this hand is up, reaching towards the sky. So one hand goes to the earth, the other to the sky, and you look up at the hand that's reaching up. And you take a breath and you stretch. Then you come back to prayer pose, and then you do the opposite. So we're going to inhale, looking up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, looking up. Oh, it's a good stretch. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, looking up. Okay. All right, we'll do one more and we can sit down for this one. And this one is great if you have a headache. Again, worry, or if you're just feeling fuzzy-headed, brain fog. So you put your hands like this, and you put your thumbs in between your eyebrows. And we're just going to take a couple of deep breaths here. Yeah, you can feel the energy kind of gathering in the middle of your head this way. Okay, and then we're going to take your fingers like this, and we start in the middle of the forehead. We're just going to pull out to the temples, and you can go down around behind your ears. That's really good for your vagus nerve, and down your neck. So we start here, pulling out around the ears, down your neck. Another two more. All right, and that's all we'll do, but you can do this all around your head. And if you want, we don't have to do it now, but it feels really good, especially if you have a headache. It usually gets rid of my headaches. So the idea is you start in the center and you pull out, and you can go all the way around. And it feels good on your neck. And then, you get to your neck and you pull. Take a deep breath here, and you pull down. How's everybody feeling?
Much better, thank you.
Yeah, I feel like a light switch was turned
Yeah.
on, Yeah.
Just kind of enervated, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we'll start with a breathing meditation, and we haven't done this in a while, where we count the breaths with our fingers. So we'll do a count of 8. And you guys are pros at this, so just pace yourselves. And generally the inhale is a count of 4 and the exhale is a count to 6. Because we have kind of balanced our energy field, so now we're just going to get more into a relaxed state with the longer exhales. All right, so we'll start with the thumb and the index finger, and we'll breathe in to a count of 4. So inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll switch fingers. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, go at your own pace, and we'll finish 8 of these. Let's do another 8 breaths, and this time focus on the pauses between the inhale and the exhale. And you can choose either at the inhale point or the exhale point. And if you want, you can do another counting with your fingers. So just focus your attention on the pause. Okay, we'll bring our awareness down to our feet. And you can focus just on your left foot and your right foot. And see if you can bring your awareness inside your body. So we're becoming aware of the energy, the creative life force energy. In your left knee and your right knee. And your left hip and your right hip. And see if you can feel the energy in the middle at the base of your spine. And can you become aware of the flow from your feet all the way to the base of the spine? And we'll become aware of the middle of, like right below your belly button. But in the middle of your body. soften the belly to allow that energy to rise from the base of your spine to the belly. Then we come to the heart. And take a few breaths in and out of the heart. Bring in your awareness right to the center point of your heart chakra. Don't worry if you don't know exactly where that is. Just set that intention for your awareness to go there. And see if you can feel the energy coming up from your feet all the way into your heart. The heart has to feel supported and grounded to really open. Then we'll bring the awareness up to the middle of our heads. And take a few breaths here. And just spend a minute feeling your whole body energized and aligned. Affirming that is the energy of the divine, that is the energy of love, creation, flowing through you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes without losing that sense of that center.
Hey, thanks for watching this YouTube video. If Unity's message of positive spiritual living resonates with you, I hope you'll subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on other lessons as we post them. Also, if you're able to support us financially in the work that we do in the world, please check below for contact information. You can visit our website, find more about what programming we offer, as well as how to give. Blessings.